Yamaha R15 is a bike that has single-handedly revolutionized the Indian performance biking segment. It has been providing bike enthusiasts in India a taste of what it feels like to ride a fully fared sports bike, albeit at a fraction of the cost. 6 years have gone by since its launch, and the R15 now has a lot more competition than before. Does the current R15 2.0 have what it takes to stand out from the crowd? Let us take a closer look and find out. Starting with the design department, the R15 is a stunning bike to behold. The R1 inspired full fairing and the slim tail section makes it look like a 1000cc superbike from a distance. The fairing isn't there just for show. It keeps wind blasts at bay quite effectively at high speed. Yamaha bikes are known for their exceptional build quality, and the R15 is no different. All the materials used exude a premium feel, and the bike seems like it's built to last. Being the focused sports bike that it is, the R15 seats its rider in a forward biased posture. The clip-on handlebars are set low, and the foot pegs are set towards the rear. The position will feel cramped for riders over 5'10". The pillion seat is really small and is best used only for short rides. The R15's engine is a smooth and powerful unit. Yamaha has loaded it with clever technology to help it produce 17 bhp from a low 150cc displacement. Power delivery is linear, and while there is sufficient low-end torque for riding in town, the engine has to be revved to get the most out of it. Handling is the R15's defining characteristic. The Delta Box chassis and the link-type rear suspension, aided by a pair of sticky MRF tires, help the R15 tackle corners with agility, precision and finesse. The wheelbase is slightly longer than the first generation, which helps in improving stability at high speed. The R15's front and rear disc brakes may seem to be sharp at first, but once you get used to them, they can be modulated to offer progressive but strong deceleration. This setup helps get the bike to a stop from 60 km/h in 11.83 meters. The R15's digital readout displays speed and other essential information in an easy-to-read format, even at speed. The bike comes with a pass light switch and an engine kill switch as standard. At Rs 1.25 lakhs, the Yamaha R15 is good value for money, considering the performance and quality that the bike offers. Now let's take a look at both sides of the coin. Starting with the pros. The R15 boasts of superbike-like looks, backed by exceptional build quality and sprightly performance, and finally aided by great handling characteristics. On the downside, it lacks comfort for the rider and pillion and is not suited for daily commutes or for touring long distance. As an everyday bike, the Yamaha R15 isn't going to be great. The engine has little power at low revs. The cramped ergonomics will make you cringe every time you have to ride through traffic, and the pillion seat isn't really usable. However, on the open road, the R15 is a different bike altogether. It can cruise at 100 km/h peacefully and can tackle corners with grace and alacrity. It's a bike that you can ride to the track, do a few laps and ride back home with a big smile plastered on your face. Looking for a fun to ride but affordable sports bike? The Yamaha R15 is the one for you.